You work hard, you save, you send money home, but somehow you're still broke. If you're an immigrant from Africa, the Caribbean, or Asia, these 5 money myths might be holding you back. We follow the rules we were taught, work multiple jobs, sacrifice for our families, yet financial peace feels out of reach. It's exhausting, and it's not your fault. Hi, I'm Adia, and on this channel, we talk about money the way immigrants actually live it. Today, we're busting 5 financial lies that keep us trapped in survival mode. These beliefs were meant to protect us, but in this new country, they're holding us back. Let's break these myths and start building real wealth, starting with the first one. The first lie, the one that holds so many back from achieving their financial dreams, that credit is evil and should be avoided at all costs. It's a sentiment passed down through generations, often with the best intentions. Many of us grew up fearing debt, hearing stories of financial ruin and hardship associated with borrowing money. We were taught to pay cash for everything and never owe anyone, believing it was the only path to financial security. This mindset made sense back home, in environments where trust in financial institutions might have been low, where credit systems were risky or predatory, and taking on debt could lead to devastating consequences. The fear was real, and the warnings were often justified. But in countries like the US, Canada, or the UK, the rules of the game are different. Avoiding credit makes you invisible to the financial system. You become a ghost, unseen and unheard when it comes to accessing essential services. No credit history means no access to good loans, leaving you stuck with high-interest options or no options at all. It impacts your ability to rent apartments, often requiring credit checks as part of the application process, or even starting a business, as securing funding often relies on having a solid credit profile. The truth, credit is a tool, not a trap. It's a powerful instrument that, when wielded correctly, can unlock incredible opportunities. Used wisely, it opens doors that might otherwise remain firmly shut. Lower interest rates, saving you money on loans and mortgages. Better housing, allowing you to secure a comfortable and stable place to live. And business opportunities, providing the capital you need to launch your own venture and build wealth. Start small. Don't feel pressured to dive in headfirst. Get a secured credit card, a great way to begin building credit with minimal risk. Use it for planned purchases, things you were already going to buy anyway, and pay it off in full every month. This is the golden rule of responsible credit use. This builds your credit score, proving your reliability to lenders and other financial institutions. A good credit score saves you thousands over your lifetime and gives you options, empowering you to make choices that align with your goals. Responsible credit use is a non-negotiable skill for immigrant success. It's a key that unlocks opportunities and helps you build a brighter future. Don't let fear keep you locked out. Don't let outdated beliefs prevent you from accessing the resources you need. Learn to use credit to your advantage. Educate yourself, seek guidance, and take control of your financial destiny. The belief that all credit is bad is outdated. It's a relic of the past that no longer serves you in this new environment. Here, responsible credit is a stepping stone to stability and upward mobility. It's a tool that can help you climb the ladder of success. It's time to stop being afraid and start building the life you came here for. Embrace the opportunities that are available to you. Mastering credit is your first step out of survival mode. It's the first step towards building a secure and prosperous future. Don't be a financial ghost. Don't let a lack of credit history hold you back from achieving your dreams. Become an active participant. Engage with the financial system and take control of your financial future. Credit isn't evil. It's a neutral tool that can be used for good or bad. Ignorance about it is. Lack of knowledge is what leads to mistakes and missed opportunities. Let's move forward, not hide from the system. Let's embrace the opportunities that are available to us and build a better future for ourselves and our families. The next myth is just as limiting. It's another deeply ingrained belief that can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Let's talk about hard work and how it relates to financial success in this new world. The second myth, the one that keeps so many people trapped, that working hard in and of itself is the ultimate goal, that putting in long hours is the key to unlocking a better life. We're taught from a young age to value hard work above all else, to equate it with virtue and worth, believing it guarantees success, that if we just put in enough effort, we'll inevitably achieve our dreams. We take pride in our exhaustion, in the sheer number of hours we dedicate to our jobs, thinking it's proof of our dedication, our commitment, and our unwavering work ethic. We wear our fatigue like a badge of honor, but working hard for its own sake, without a clear strategy or purpose, often just keeps us stuck in survival mode, constantly chasing our tails and struggling to make ends meet. The truth is that hard work alone won't magically build wealth or grant you true freedom. It's a necessary ingredient, but it's not the whole recipe. There are only so many hours in a day, a finite amount of time we can dedicate to physical labor. You simply can't work your way to genuine financial independence and security by brute force alone, by endlessly adding more shifts, taking on extra jobs, and sacrificing your well-being. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's fundamentally about freedom, the ability to consciously choose how you spend your precious time, to dictate your own schedule, to properly care for your family, to be present in their lives and support their dreams, and to wholeheartedly pursue your passions, those activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. The shift? Work smart, not just hard. Leverage your efforts, build systems that generate income even when you're not actively working. Strategic investments, scalable side businesses, or income-generating real estate. Think of it as building a sustainable pipeline, a system that continuously delivers value, not just endlessly carrying heavy buckets of water, trading your time for money. It's not about greed or accumulating wealth for its own sake. It's fundamentally about creating lasting security, a safety net for yourself and your loved ones, and providing genuine opportunity for your family for generations to come. Value financial education, seek out knowledge and understanding about how money truly works, as much as you value your unwavering work ethic. Combine the two and you become unstoppable. Honor your parents' legacy, respect the sacrifices they made to provide for you, but don't be limited by it. Don't feel obligated to repeat the same patterns. Use your intelligence, your creativity, and your strategic thinking to build lasting wealth and create a brighter future. The goal isn't just to work hard and tirelessly, it's to strategically build a life of genuine freedom, security, and meaningful choice. That's the real dream, the one worth striving for. Let's move beyond mere survival and create a life of true abundance and prosperity. Next, let's tackle the often unspoken pressure to always send money back home. The third myth we need to address. It's the deeply ingrained belief that you must always send money home, regardless of your own financial situation. This is a common expectation in many cultures. For many immigrants, sending money home is seen as a duty, a tangible way to honor the sacrifices their families made to enable their journey. It's an act of love and gratitude, but constantly sending money when you're struggling to make ends meet yourself keeps you trapped in a cycle of scarcity, making it difficult to build a secure future for yourself. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. You need to take care of yourself first. Before you can effectively support others in the long term, you need to establish your own solid financial foundation, including building an emergency fund, securing a stable income, and developing a comprehensive financial plan. Prioritizing your own financial well-being isn't selfish, it's strategic and essential for long-term success. Build your own safety net first, ensuring you have a cushion to fall back on. Only then can you truly help others from a place of strength and stability. Set a realistic budget specifically for remittances and treat it as a planned and predictable expense within your overall financial plan. Most importantly, have open and honest conversations with your family about your financial capabilities and limitations. Ultimately, the greatest gift you can give your family is your own success and financial independence. When you're financially stable, you're in a much better position to make a bigger, more sustainable and meaningful impact on their lives. Don't drain yourself trying to put out small, immediate fires. Instead, focus on building wealth and financial security so you can help your family in bigger, more impactful ways down the line. Prioritize building your own strong financial foundation first, and then give generously from a place of abundance and security. Next up, let's tackle another common pressure point, the pressure to buy a home. The fourth myth, that owning a home is the only true sign of success. For many immigrants, home ownership is seen as the ultimate achievement. But rushing into buying a house can leave you house rich and cash poor. Without savings or investments, one emergency can become a crisis. Homeownership is just one part of a healthy financial plan, not the whole picture. Before buying, make sure you have stable income, good credit, and an emergency fund. Remember, your primary home isn't always a great investment. It's an illiquid asset with ongoing costs. Sometimes renting and investing elsewhere is the smarter move. Don't let cultural pressure rush you into a decision that could set you back. True success is financial peace of mind, not just a mortgage. Build your foundation first. Renting can be a strategic choice. The goal is freedom, not just a house. Now let's bust the final myth that cash is king. The last myth, that cash is king and investing is gambling. Many of us grew up believing only cash is safe, especially after seeing economic instability back home. But hoarding cash means losing value to inflation. Your money melts away over time. Keeping all your savings in cash is a sure way to fall behind. Investing isn't gambling, it's owning a piece of growing businesses and letting your money work for you. You don't need to be an expert. Start small with index funds or ETFs in a retirement account. The key is consistency and time, not luck. Cash is for emergencies, investing is for building wealth. Don't let fear keep you stuck. Learn the basics and let your money grow. Your hard work deserves to pay off. Overcoming the fear of investing is the final key to real abundance. Let's move from survival to growth. Those are the 5 myths keeping so many immigrants stuck. These beliefs were meant to protect us, but now they hold us back. Breaking free is the first step to building the life you deserve. Did one of these myths hit home? Share in the comments. Let's support each other and rewrite our money stories together. Subscribe for more practical, honest advice every week. Your money story deserves a plan, not fear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.